Have a wonderful day, dear students. Be safe and healthy. Today, let's see about the computer software. As you know well, a computer cannot work on its own. So, can you guess how does the computer work? Computer work by the instructions given to it. Yes, it needs instructions to work. Instruction is given by the software. N number of software available to you to work on your computer. The software known as programs consist of instructions that tells the computer what to do. It instructs the hardware to perform a specific task on a computer system. Of course, there is a close connection between software and hardware. Without hardware, software would not be able to run. And without software, hardware is limited. Software cannot be seen, it can only be used. Software is the basic elements of any computer system. This software can be classified into two types, system software and application software. Let's see one by one. System software is a software. It helps run the computer system. It is also known as operating system, which makes your computer work. It's used to interface between user and computer hardware. The primary goal of an operating system is to make the computer system convenient to use the computer hardware in an efficient manner. So, operating system is an example of system software. It is the main software program because you can use different kinds of application software once you install the operating system. Windows 7 and Mac OS X are example of popular operating systems. Other versions of the Windows are Windows XP, Windows Vista and Windows 8. When the computer is switched on, the system gets ready for operation. The process is called as booting. Now you can see some pictures and words on the monitor. The picture you see above is called as Windows Desktop. The small pictures inside the desktop are called as icons. You can interact with the computers with the help of pictures and choosing the desired objects in Windows. This is called as Graphical User Interface, in short GUI. This makes the user to work easily with the help of mouse. Next, application software. It is a set of programs designed to perform various kinds of tasks that make our computer use properly. Once the operating system is loaded, that means system software is loaded, you can use the different types of application software. For example, calculator is an application software used for doing calculations. Word processing software are used to create, edit, apply basic design and print text documents. You can use such software to type anything you want. Some examples of word processing programs are Notepad, Wattpad, MS Word and OpenOffice. Database software programs are used to store and manage data. MS Access is an example of database software program. Spreadsheet software programs are used to store data in a tabular form. You can perform basic and complex calculations on the data in the spreadsheet software. MS Excel is the most widely used spreadsheet software. Multimedia software allows us to play all forms of media such as audio, video and animations including text and graphics. Windows Media Player is a popular multimedia software. Basically, application packages fall in a number of categories such as desktop publishing, word processing, spreadsheets, database programs, integrated software, paint and draw programs, communication, multimedia programs. There are a number of software available to you to work on your computer. These are being used effectively in business, at homes, educational institutions, as well as in social activities. Based on our requirements, we can use application software in our system. because application software is designed to perform specific tasks that make our computer truly useful. Students, I hope you have understood well about system software and application software. If you have any doubt, you are always welcome to ask me. Thank you, children. God bless you. Have a good day.